I know.
Yeah. Oh wait, here he goes. I'm recording again.
You're gonna probably filled up. Fine.
I don't want to miss it.
It's funny because it hasn't happened yet. There hasn't been one strike.
Mm-mm. I don't think he's going to.
Oh no, it's so to the second limit. In Charlie's brain, it's do or die almost. I'm not kidding. You gotta think about it for this snake. He's been picked up in front of something in a fucking bag.
Wait, wait.
In a fucking bag. Well, keep sniffing, Mousy. And Charlie just wants him to keep.
Oh.
It's almost time. There it is, time.
Oh.
Charlie's got him.
He's going.
Charlie got him. Charlie's making the move. He says, fuck it. He's big, but I'm gonna take him. I'm telling you, this is what's going on in the damn fit the snake's head. That's a big opponent. Look how big.
Should I go around the other side and record?
Look how big that mouse is. Remember, to a mouse, a cat is a monster.
Oh, he's gonna go.
Well, he might be too big. Literally, that was the time. That was the time. He might be too big. Yep. Never mind. Take that back.
Oh, there goes.
But he's biting Charlie. See him biting Charlie.
Yeah.
See him biting Charlie.
No, he's not. He's trying to. No, he's choking him.
He's biting Charlie.
No, he's choking.
No, he's got his mouth open.
Babe, stop.
I can see it.
He's choking.
Well, now he's getting squeezed.
Yeah.
Charlie, I'll help you, Charlie. No, look, he's got his bottom teeth dug into Charlie's back or his belly.
That poor thing.
See his teeth?
He just killed it.
Not quite. No. No. Put the end on him, Charlie. Put the end on him, Charlie.
Damn.
Well, if he lets him go, he's gonna kill Charlie. Get it? So he knew he's a big guy, but yo, this is the only thing I got to eat.
Is he eating him already?
Oh, no. Let this shit chill. Back off. Don't scare him. Stare these. This is where the snakes get real funny. Like, it is where they get funny. And he'll puke him up. He'll go through all that shit, all that work, attach his jaw, and puke him right back up because you moved your hand too quick. So, like, now, when you move away, you just move away slowish. Or you never seen him attach it? You've never seen this. You really haven't. It's amazing. It's cute. It's adorable. It's fucking awesome. Wasn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Cool?
That was really crazy.
But you see what I'm saying? You could almost see him thinking.
Wait.
Oh, he's gonna detach his jaw. It's time. He wants some food, baby. He's hungry. He's hungry. Charlie, hungry. Charlie, food.
Holy shit.
Charlie said, nigga, I was starving down there. Didn't you see me?
That is Charlie the snake devouring a mouse. Where'd he go? Where's the face at again? I'm missing the face. There he is. There he is. Shoving that mouth down his throat. Look at that. That's wild. I've never seen anything like that.
No. In real life?
Never.
Yeah. That's even fucking new shit when you see my big boys. That shit ain't no joke when it's a chicken. Boy. It's like, holy hell. Like, take a shot.
Wait, if you put that light back up, it shows so much better.
You gotta take a shot afterwards.
Not there. Nope.
Stressful.
Alright. There. That's good, perfect.
I know, but I'm gonna start the record camera.
Too much.
It's a cold camera. Natural lighting.
Woo!
Call it this the make it lots of money. I want to see if it makes glaring off. I don't know. Let me turn the flash off. There you go. can take one with this if you'd like to. No, just take the camera, the phone out of my hand.
Oh.
Record with my phone. Yeah.
Okay. Here. Let me stop that one. Oh gosh, that's a better view.